to my art channel. Without further ado, let's get drawing.
Hi everybody and welcome back. So a lot of you have been asking and requesting various videos and tutorials on simple objects and food and things that we use, eat, drink and everything else in daily life, so that you can add these to your projects and your posters. So for this second video, which I'm actually doing on the same day, we're going to be doing bananas. It's really simple, really easy, and you can use these in combinations with other fruits and vegetables. I've got some more videos for you if you want to go back and check those out. I've done oranges, and just different objects that you can use in drawing. These are beginner tutorials, so don't feel afraid to come along and draw with me on these. I'm going to try and go at the usual beginner's pace that we have been going up till now. So first of all, I'm just going to open up a 12 by 12 canvas. You can do this in any size that you like. And we are going to begin by picking our pen, which is going to be the studio pen, under our inking brush section. And for this we're going to choose a yellow. I'm going to go for a really pastel banana yellow because I'm going to be adding in the deeper yellows as we use our texture brushes. So first of all, I'm just going to draw make sure your transparency is turned up. I'm just going to draw a curve, and I'm just going to bring it around so that I can see the curve. And then I'm going to bring another curve in between. And then I'm going to be doing a curve on the outside. So the banana itself is made up of 3 different curves. And I'm just going to drag and drop these 2 yellows into my banana lines. But seeing as we're going to be doing this in different stages, we're going to try something new today. We're going to click on reference, and then we're going to add a new layer, and then we're going to drag and drop, and then we're going to add a new layer again, and then we're going to drag and drop. Okay, I'm just going to pick all these layers together, and I'm just going to rotate my banana, because this very pointy part is going to be the top of my banana. Okay, now I'm just going to zoom in for a second, and I'm just going to turn alpha lock on for these 2 top layers. Now I'm going to go to my noise brush, which is underneath my touch-up brushes, and I'm going to be choosing a deeper yellow, and I'm going to bring a deeper yellow down here, and then I'm going to be bringing a white just here. Then I'm going to go to my bottom layer, and I'm going to turn on alpha lock, and in just the same white, I'm just going to be bringing this here, and then in a deeper yellow, I'm just going to be bringing this here. So as you can see, we're doing this in kind of various stages. Now we are going to merge all of these layers together, and we are going to choose a deep red, and this red we're just going to bring down here, not too sharp, not too heavy, and then we're going to bring a yellow just on top and a white for the highlight, and then we're going to go back to our deep red and pushing slightly harder, we're just going to bring that shadow in to really give it that look, which is kind of like a rectangular banana shape, which is what we're going for. And then in white, I'm just going to follow this line down here and bring my white from the top to the bottom. And it's really all about the texture once you've drawn your shape, which makes it actually look like a banana. Okay, now I'm just going to go into like a lilac pink colour, and just here I'm just going to draw kind of like a shadow, and then I'm going to go to my light brown orangey colours and just swipe up on top, which will give it that kind of set banana look. Then I'm just going to go ahead and add a new layer, and I'm going to go to my studio pen, and in a darker colour I'm just going to draw the top of my banana, and then I'm just going to use a light colour. And then for the bottom here, I'm just going to choose a white, and then I'm going to do a dark brown colour just on top. Okay, and then you have something which looks like this. To make this into a bunch of bananas, we're going to merge all our layers together so we have one banana, and we're going to go ahead and duplicate. And once we've duplicated our bottom banana, we will move and rotate to create a bunch of bananas. And then once you've created your bunch of bananas, you can go ahead and group all of these layers together so that you can move them and place them where you feel is necessary on your canvas. You can choose and create a background colour by adding a new layer and then just dragging and dropping the colour for your background. And then you can add a new layer on top of that and go to your airbrushes. You can use the soft blend for this, choose white as my background is black, and just go ahead and create a drop shadow with your airbrush. Or you can create a fancy pattern on the background with your texture brushes. There's loads of them to choose from. You've got stripes and dots, and there's just various things that you can use to create a background, or you can just use it without the background, obviously, if you don't need it for a special project. And then you can just go ahead and play about with the settings and the colours and just really create some awesome fruit and vegetable designs. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.
Thanks for watching. If you liked what you saw, please go ahead and give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, because it really helps me in creating more free videos for all of you out there. So if you want to come and join my Procreate group, the links are in the description. I'd love for you to be a member of my group. We can share awesome ideas, tips and artwork. Also, please don't forget to tag me on Instagram so that I can see what work you've created from this awesome tutorial. So love to you all, and I'll see you in the next video.